Welcome, my name is Mike Hamilton. I've got this fascinating scrapbook of cuttings, and it's titled Railway Newspaper Cuttings Scrapbook, and it's basically a lot of crashes. It's full. This is May 47. This is also 47. Seems to be a lot of crashes around, and it's absolutely rammed full of crashes. Waterloo crash at platform 13. Can't see a date on that. Newton Abbott photograph 39. This is still 47. So my father was born in 30, so he would have been 17. 2 years after the war. This is a horrific 129 die. Where's that? Dad's written there. Grand total dead 31. Horrible. Can't see details. Signalman. Crash signalman takes blame. Yuck. It only seems to have done one. I've not traced any others. In the meantime, I've got a great train spotting book. What's it say on the back? Loughborough Junction. I don't know why it says Loughborough Junction. It's a train spotting book. And it's getting very precise details of when he arrived at each station. Bit hard for me to, I'm not used to seeing these. I can't work out what journeys this relates to. I don't know if this is any good actually. There's no details of the actual, doesn't seem to be any details of the actual train itself, just times. Alright, thanks, bye.